Psychosocial nursing diagnosis and interventions. Nursing diagnosis. Disturbed body image related to distorted perception of one's physical self, secondary to permanent changes in structure and/or function of a body part or situational changes, i.e., aging, pregnancy, as evidenced by verbalization about alterations in structure or function of a body part and employment of appearance management behaviors. Desired outcome. The patient will be able to acknowledge, evaluate, and restructure irrational thoughts to more rational self-talk. Intervention. Recognize and accept the patient's expression of frustration, anger, grief, hostility, and dependence. Expression of withdrawal and denial must also be noted. Rationale. Resolution can be achieved by first accepting that the expression of these feelings is valid and is a normal response to the situation. It must be recognized that the patient's denial may be persistent as a defense mechanism. Avoid forcing the patient to deal with the situation if he/she is not ready to cope with personal problems. Intervention. The patient's normal response to the actual or perceived alteration in body structure or function must be acknowledged. Rationale. Feelings of grief over loss of a body part or function is normal. This may also involve denial, whose period may vary across patients. Intervention. Avoid showing judgmental behavior while providing psychosocial care to the patient. Set boundaries on maladaptive behavior and encourage the patient to determine positive behaviors that can be beneficial for recovery. Rationale. It is important to recognize that maladaptive behavior, in most cases, is targeted toward the situation and not the healthcare provider. Intervention. Embody a realistic and positive attitude during health education and treatment period. Remember to set realistic goals with accompanying limitations. Rationale. This helps in building rapport and trust between the nurse and the patient. Intervention. Provide positive reinforcement of progress and encourage methods that will help in achieving rehabilitation goals. Rationale. Expressing encouraging words can enhance the development of positive coping mechanisms. Nursing diagnosis. Disturbed thought process related to psychological problems, example, perceived lack of control and sense of crippling self-worth, as evidenced by impaired decision-making and problem-solving skills, fictional verbalizations, ideas of reference, alteration in sleep patterns, distractibility, anxiety, fatigue, and depression. Desired outcome. The patient will be able to articulate understanding of causal factors related to the impairment and demonstrate improved decision-making and problem-solving skills. Intervention. Recognize the patient's impaired cognitive ability. Rationale. This will allow the healthcare provider to set realistic expectations of the patient and aid in providing the appropriate treatment and support. Intervention. Utilize active listening skill to the patient and challenge the patient's irrational thoughts. Briefly explain reality to the patient and avoid making ambiguous remarks. Rationale. It is important to acknowledge that responding logically is difficult when there is impaired cognition. Avoid challenging the patient as it may lead to frustration and mistrust. Intervention. Support with treatment of underlying conditions, example, brain injury, anorexia, elevated intracranial pressure, biochemical imbalances, sleep disorders. Rationale. Treatment of existing medical or psychiatric problems can improve cognitive ability. Intervention. Avoid coercing communication or performance of activities. Rationale. Withdrawal or rebellion may arise as the patient may feel threatened. Intervention. Identify and acknowledge the patient's accomplishments, i.e., completed tasks, fulfilled responsibilities, or initiated interactions. Rationale. This can lessen the anxiety of the patient and reduce the need for delusions as a source of self-esteem. Intervention. Practice methods of consensual validation and seek clarification when communicating with a patient exhibiting alteration in cognition. Example, I don't understand what you mean. Can you please explain? Rationale. The perception of people towards the patient are often realized with the employment of those methods. The responsibility of misunderstanding must be accepted by the nurse. Visit usanursestudy.net for over 1,000 free nursing diagnosis and care plans.